Green growth. So, what kind of development should be green? It can be called as the development where green or some aspect of environment is involved. So, economic growth, what is the concept? This is achieving economic growth that is socially inclusive. Socially inclusive means everyone, poor or rich or mediocre. Along with this, it has to be environmentally sustainable also. Our ministry, that is the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, it has recognized the green growth. And what it has recognized as green growth, what is the vision, what is the thought? So whether it is a environment or a forest or even the climate change like global warming, etc., the vision is, first thing is poverty eradication. Still there is poverty. Most rich and most poor people live here only. But it has to have green growth. That is, for green economy, this green growth has to be the key point, keeping in mind the poverty eradication, but it has to be green. The Finance Commission of India, how they have commissioned it, they have thought it, or the articulation of this green growth, that is rethinking or again thinking or changing the growth strategies, the techniques, the methods we are adopting, what it should be with regard to their impact on environment sustainability. That is, the economy should grow like this, that everyone, like the poor people, the vulnerable people, the groups which are poor or which are, say, not that much grown up in decades, centuries. So environmental resource also have to be seen. So basic thing is resources, how much resources we are using, how much resource we need, and because economic growth has to be there, because economic growth will not be there, economy will not be there, how people will get job, how will they earn their livelihood? It has to be there. So job creation has to be there, social equity has to be there, but it should be all, economic growth has to be depending on the resources. So in order to ensure the sustainable development, what we can do? See, industries and manufacturing plants, this also has to be there. So this is important for economic development. But what will be its economic impacts, environmental impacts? That is, I'll give an example. Because everything which is has to be done by a country, it may be any country. Let us take an example of a car or your vehicle, your truck. Now you are always stuck in traffic. Now the pollution will grow multifold. You are wasting your time or you are wasting others' time also, commuters also. And then the pollutant or the other gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, ozone depleting gases. So they are going to affect us in a detrimental way in coming future. I'm not saying don't go by car, but you cannot change it in one day. You have been using your car or bike for almost 10-20 years now. But we need to develop a public this transport system, or the strategies or method, or the different kind of, not the conventional, different kind of transport system which are economical viable. That is, they are green vehicles, not painted green, but they are, the environmental impact is as least as possible.